The root is the organ of a plant that typically lies below the surface of the soil. The roots do not possess nodes, leaves, and buds, but is branched extensively. The roots are well suited both morphologically and anatomically to absorb water and minerals from the soil. Morphologically, the root system consists of the main root, the lateral roots or the secondary roots, and the root hairs or the tertiary roots. The main root gives out branches called the lateral roots or the secondary roots. The lateral roots in turn have number of fine outgrowths called the root hairs or the tertiary roots. Anatomically, the roots consists of root cap, meristematic zone, elongation zone, maturation zone. Root cap is the structure found at the tip of the root which protects the young, delicate and rapidly dividing cells. Meristematic zone is a few millimeters long and is known as the region of cell division. Meristematic cells which divide rapidly are found in this region. Some cells of this region form the root cap and the others form the region of elongation. Elongation zone is also a few millimeters long and is known as the region of elongation. Cells of this region undergo rapid enlargement and leads to root growth. The region of maturation lies above the elongation zone and extend upwards. Maturation zone consists of a very fine and delicate thread-like structures called the root hairs, above which the lateral branches are produced. The cells of this region undergo differentiation and maturation into various plant tissues based on their functions. Root hairs increase the surface area for absorption of water and mineral salts. Root hairs have large surface area to absorb a large amount of water required by the plant. Root hairs are unicellular and are produced in thick clusters. They are very thin, allowing the water molecules and mineral salts to diffuse through them easily. Cell membrane of these cells is semi-permeable in nature. Water molecules and mineral salts enter the cell by osmosis. They contain cell sap, that is, a solution of higher concentration than that of the surrounding soil water. Did you know? Some of the specialized variations of roots are: aerial roots are roots exposed to air, extremely long and unbranched. Root tubers are swollen portions of a root that can have buds to produce new shoots, and when broken off, these can grow into a new plant. Substances move from a region of lower concentration to a region of higher concentration using energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. This process is called active transport. Root hair absorbs minerals by a process of active transport. Root hair absorbs water from soil by osmosis. Water then diffuses into the deeper parts of the roots by cell-to-cell osmosis. It passes through the root tissues to the xylem in the root, which carry it to all parts of the plant, that is, the stem and the leaves. Morphologically, the root system consists of the main root, the lateral roots or the secondary roots, and the root hairs or the tertiary roots. Anatomically, the roots consists of root cap, meristematic zone, elongation zone and the maturation zone. Root cap is the structure found at the tip of the root which protects the young, delicate and rapidly dividing cells. Meristematic zone is a few millimeters long and is known as the region of cell division. The cells of the region of elongation undergoes rapid enlargement and leads to root growth. The maturation zone consists of root hairs above which the lateral branches are produced. Active transport is the movement of substances from a region of lower concentration to a region of higher concentration using energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate.